Do you want to build a small shelf for your iPad? Then this video is for you. So the genesis of this project is my daughter asked me to build a shelf for her iPad for her bedroom wall. I'm simply going to use some upcycled wood, as you see here, to make the little shelf. This front trim piece will prevent the iPad from sliding off the shelf. We will use wood glue and finishing nails to attach that front trim piece to the actual shelf. When using wood glue, use it sparingly. A little bit goes a long way. If you use too much, it's going to squish out of your wood joint. If you're worried about smashing your fingers when driving in these skinny little finishing nails, you can use a pair of needle nose pliers like this, or you can hold the nail with a piece of scrap cardboard.
Woo!
Now we need to cut down this trim piece to the proper size. Make sure your saw blade isn't set too deep. You don't want to hit the vise with the saw blade. To prevent splitting the wood, we are now going to pre-drill our mounting holes. Starting with a small drill bit first, we will drill through both pieces of wood. That'll help with the alignment of the screws. Now we will drill a larger hole just through that first piece of wood, the same diameter as the screw shank. Now we'll drill the countersink holes for the screw heads to sink in.
Woo!
You can see our tiny holes will help align our screws and prevent splitting the wood. Use a clamp to help hold your work while you screw things together. Now we'll give everything a light sanding, smooth everything out so there's no splinters. Now we'll pre-drill the 2 mounting holes where the shelf will attach to the wall. Ideally, you want to mount the shelf to the wall studs. Wasn't able to do that in this project, so we're using these 75-pound rated drywall anchors. Here's a finished product. My daughter's happy. Good luck with your project. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.